and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Summer Albarcha and I'm the founder of the layering fashion blog, summeralbarcha.com. If you haven't been here before, my blog is all about making the most out of your wardrobe and so many different trends, using layers and other pieces from your wardrobe to create a look for the day. I'll also occasionally share beauty tips, motivational advice, travel guides, and so much more. So I've been mainly sharing these posts throughout my blog throughout the years, and I'm excited to take all of that content and turn it into video content on YouTube for you guys. Whether it be creating looks for the season or curating your wardrobe down to the basics, I'll be sure to help you guys along every step of the way here on this channel. Be sure to follow me on Instagram.com/summeralbarcha, as well as on my website, which I'll link below. Stay tuned if you'd like to see more fun videos and giveaways, and I hope this will be something beneficial for all of us, and I hope to see you on my blog soon.